my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm unboxing more pop-up orders from Boxycharm for November 2020. If you want to see what I got, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, Boxycharm, for anyone who is not familiar, is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and in each box you receive 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics. Each box has an average value, they say, of about $175. They do have other options to upgrade, like Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. That's not what we're here to talk about today. What we're here to talk about today are their sales. They have add-on sales every month, and then once a quarter they have pop-up sales, which are even better than their add-on sales, which are already pretty good. So in November was the quarterly pop-up sale, and I placed several orders. I think it was 7. I'm not sure. What I'm going to show you today is a combination of 3 orders. I've already unboxed some for you, and I think I'm waiting for one more, I believe. I think. But anyway, this is 3 orders combined, so I didn't do this all at once. But they did come in all in the last span of time while I have been unable to film, so I figured I'd do them all at once. So let's take a look at what I got and see what we think of it. First, from Milk Makeup, this is the Melatonin Overnight Serum. This is an overnight solid serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms. So you wake up to visibly bouncier, smoother, and more refreshed looking skin. This retails for $36. It was in pop-ups for $6. Also from Milk Makeup, I picked up 2 of the Kush Brow Gels. I picked up their clear, and I picked up the fiber gel in the shade Dub. I wasn't quite sure what their colors are, but that seemed like it was the most likely one, so we'll check it out. But I also got a clear just in case. These retail for $20 each, and they were in pop-ups for $3 each. Next, from Elemis, this is their Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil from their anti-aging line. This is a luxurious facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts and hydrating Padina Pavonica to smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles and leave the skin with a luminous glow. This retails for $79, and it was in pop-ups for $6. Next, from QMS Meta Cosmetics, this is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. This is just a lightweight tinted day cream. It's got an SPF of 15. This retails for $105 and was in pop-ups for $12. And then I also have another one from QMS Cosmetics, and this is their Lip Line Corrector. It's a lip serum. They say is a high-performance serum exclusively formulated to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles in the lip area. This retails for $200, and I got this as a gift with purchase in my pop-up, so can't go wrong with that price. Next, from Farsali, this is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. This is a 24 karat gold infused hydrate, prime, and set. They say that it's infused with real 24 karat gold flakes and rose hip seed oil. It's an alcohol-free formula that instantly adds a burst of hydration to the skin. I actually have one of these behind me that I use periodically. I just love the smell of it. I do use a rose water more often than not, but I just like the smell of this. And does it do anything besides hydrate? I don't know. I don't care. It smells nice. And it retails for $39. It was in pop-ups for $9. Okay, moving on to makeup. From Phase Zero, I got a blush and bronzer trio. I actually had gotten one of these before. It's not really my shade, but I picked it up for giveaways. There's a matte blusher, a shimmer blusher, and a bronzer. And it retails for $47.50. It was in pop-ups for $4, so look for this in a future giveaway. From Half Caked, this is the Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. The shades are Theme Song, a warm mid-tone nude, 82 Bordeaux, a deep wine, and Low Key, a dusty muted terracotta. This retails for $32 for the trio, or the fondants are available for $16 each, and the trio was in pop-ups for $4. Hello, welcome to day 15 of our 25 days of giveaways. How the heck did it get to be day 15? Anyway, let's talk about what's in the box, and then we'll talk about the rules. Everyone starts with a makeup bag. This is a Betty Boop makeup bag. And some sheet masks. In this one we have the Duft & Doft Pink Milk Mask. And from Honey Jarrett, the Super Beauty Mask. And then we move on to skincare. From Tarte, we have Micellar Magic Makeup Remover. From First Aid Beauty, Facial Radiance Pads. From La Roche-Posay, this is Lipicar Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. From Clinique, Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. From Grown Alchemist, this is their Detox Night Cream. From e.l.f. we have a Dewy Setting Mist in Coconut. From Dermalogica, this is Hydro Mask Exfoliant. And from Sol de Janeiro, Coco Cabana Cream. And then for the hair, we have from Living Proof, Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. And for your nails, from Static Nails, we have a mini in the shade Parisian Pink. And from Essie, we have a mini in the shade Sugar Plum Fairy Tale. And let's see, for makeup, starting with Pixie by Petra, we have a blush in the shade Beach Rose. From Flower Beauty, this is Fiber Fix Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Blonde. From Wander Beauty, Highline Liquid Eyeliner, and I believe this is in black. From Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner, this is a duo. From Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter in the shade Teeny Bikini. From Sugar Rush by Tarte, this is Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cupcake. And here's the shade. And for eyeshadows, we have the Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Wicked. From e.l.f. Cosmetics, Bite Size Eyeshadow in Hot Jalapeno. From Boxycharm, we have the Hello Charmer palette. Here are the shades in that. And from Huda Beauty, this is the Topaz Obsessions palette. And then for tools, we have from the Creme Shop, the Next Gen Blender Set. From Zoeva, this is an eye brush. And from LaRousse, we have a trio of brushes. This one is an angled shading brush, a tapered blending brush, and an angled face brush. So that's everything in day 15. How did we get to day 15 already? Anyway, here are the rules. You must have a US shipping address, you must be age 18 or over, you must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions on public. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. My information's down in the description box along with all of these rules. Leave me a comment that includes the word enter, and since December 15th is Cat Herders Day, seriously, tell me something about your pets. Anything, just anything about your pets. If you don't have pets, you can talk about mine. You've probably met Minnie. If you've been around a while, you might have met Brody as well. I don't think Molly has made it into videos yet, but anyway, something about your pets and the word enter. That tells me that you watched the video and that you want to be entered in the giveaway. If you have an Instagram or Twitter, please leave me your Instagram or Twitter name in your comment as well, so that I have a way to contact you besides just responding to your comment here on YouTube, since the notifications don't always go out as often as we would like them to. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter and you would like to leave me an email address as a second way to contact you, if you feel comfortable with that, you can, but you absolutely do not have to. Once I ship the box, I'm no longer responsible for the box or its contents. I will give the winner the tracking number once it ships. The giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube or any of the brands included in the giveaway or in the main video. All items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or were received in subscription boxes, mystery boxes, that kind of thing, which were purchased with my own money. Nothing was sponsored, donated, or gifted. I will leave this giveaway open until December 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I will choose another winner. And with that, I send you back to the video. And we're gonna hop off makeup and go into brushes for a minute, and we'll come back. I started out with the Luxie Bronze and Glow set. I have a few Luxie brushes, but not many, so I wanted to expand my collection. Retail value on that is $75, and it was in pop-ups for $18. And next, the Luxie Iconic Eye Brush Set. This is a set of 5 brushes. These were a 2-for-1 sale. So they retail for $45 per set. And they were in the pop-ups for $4, and then they went on 2-for-1. So it was $4 for 2 sets. So I picked up a few. So look for these in future giveaways. I love brushes. I like to give brushes. Speaking of brushes, from Baddington Beauty, this is a powder and contour set. This is 2 brushes. I don't know much about Baddington Beauty, but they were pretty. So it is a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. These retail for $90, and they were in pop-ups for $4. And then getting into eyeshadow, which is our last category, from Beauty Creations. This is the Esmeralda 2 palette. I know this was in boxes recently and I didn't get it. It's a 15 shade palette, and here's the shades in that one. And again, some of these will end up in giveaways, or some of them were purchased for giveaways, and some of them are for me. From Violet Voss, we have the Essentials palette. And here are the shades in that one. This is a retail value of $36 and was in pop-ups for $6. Also from Violet Voss, there was a trio of mini palettes. The first one is Le Macaron fun-sized eyeshadow palette. Here's the packaging of Le Macaron. And shades. If you like colorful, you will like that. And there's the Oh Snap, which I guess is a gingerbread man, ginger snap themed palette. I know, it's really cute packaging on the Oh Snap though. And there are the colors in that one. Again, very colorful. And the last one is the Rainbow Fun-Sized Palette. Here's the packaging on the rainbow. And again, if you're a lover of color, you're gonna really enjoy that one. And these retail for $18 each. It was in pop-ups for $18 for the trio. So you got 3 for the price of 1. And I did pick these up for giveaways, so be on the lookout for these as well. And the last one is from Natasha Denona, the Peak palette. This was, of course, the one that was in the November boxes that caused all sorts of controversy because they were not in all the boxes and they showed up in the pop-ups. I waited a while after they first showed up in pop-ups. I was frankly surprised by how long they were available. And since I had so many people who expressed interest in winning the palette in my giveaway, I picked up a couple more, so they will be in some of my 25 days of giveaways and maybe beyond that. So I did pick up a couple of those. So that was 3 orders total combined. My cost for all 3 combined was $168, and the total retail value that I got was $1,300.49 for a discount of about 87%. If you combine this with my last haul, which is my other video, and I'll put a link to it up here, right? Anyway, I'll put a link to it. My last haul combined with this one, I spent a total of $312.99, and I got a total retail value of $2,462.49. So I hope that you enjoyed these products, because you will be seeing some of them in giveaways. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.